Hi friends, I'm OP Singh and you're watching Filmy Buzz with OP. He was so courageous and so dedicated, a patriot. His name was Ravindra Kaushik, the black tiger of Indian spy. Friends, this is the story of Ravindra Kaushik, a raw agent. He born in 1952 at Gangaranga, Rajasthan. He was very keen from the childhood. He was very keen and very much interested in theatre and acting. He always was portraying as a patriot in all the plays, Hindi plays he was doing. And once he was in Lucknow in connection with a play, and when he was performing a patriot role in the play, he was observed by some raw officials, those who were sitting in the audience. Once the play was over, they just met him and told Ravindra Kaushik that if you want a job, come to Delhi. Ravindra Kaushik agreed. He had no idea that who are they and why they are giving him a job. So with all these questions, Ravindra Kaushik headed to Delhi. When he reached to Delhi, he was taken to Raw office. Then he came to know that the Indian External Intelligence Agency Research and Analysis Wing has offered him a job. He was happy, and the raw officers told him that you have to perform an undercover agent in Pakistan. You have to go to Islamabad. He agreed. The raw official also told him that you have not to reveal anybody that who are you and what you are doing. Secrecy is the first thing in spy business. He agreed. He even didn't tell to his parents that where he is working and where he is going. They have given him intense training, 2 years intense training. Raw appointed a Maulana to teach him all the rituals of Muslims. Accordingly, Ravindra Kaushik was taught everything that a Muslim guy, a Muslim children should know. He was taught how to pray and everything he was taught, even minor details, so that he should not be caught anytime. And once he was ready, he was given a new name. He was given a fake name, Nabi Ahmad Sakir, and he was sent to Pakistan. He reached safely Islamabad. He settled there. He took admission in a law college. He met with a girl in law college, namely Amanat, and he fallen in love, and both they got married. One day, Ravindra Kaushik saw an advertisement in Pakistani newspaper about recruitment of commission officer in Pak Army. He applied and he got selection. He became a commission officer in Pakistani Army. It was a big achievement. The agencies here were damn happy that they have chosen a right guy. And he reached up to the rank of major, and he was passing valuable informations, important informations, top secret information to Indian agencies. And the Indian agencies and the Home Ministry were damn happy. Seeing his courage, the then Home Minister, Mr. S.B. Chauhan, has given him the title of Black Tiger. It was a great appreciation or a great thing for a spy in RAW. But in 1983, when he was performing very well, the RAW has sent another spy to meet him in Pakistan. That spy was Inayat Masiha, but unfortunately he was caught in Pakistan by Pak intelligence services. He was tortured and he blown the cover of Ravindra Kaushik. He informed the Pakistani intelligence that your major Nabi Ahmed Sakir is in fact an Indian spy. Ravindra Kaushik was caught. He was presented before the court and the Supreme Court announced death sentence for him. But in 1990, Supreme Court commuted his death sentence to life imprisonment. He spent 18 years in different jail of Pakistan. When Ravindra Kaushik was being sent to Pakistan in 1975, all his documents were destroyed, so that no agency, no one can ever know that Ravindra Kaushik, any person, was ever existing. It is always happens in the world of spy that any agent is caught, that particular country for which he was doing the job is disowning them. And Ravindra Kaushik was also told that if you are caught, we will disown you. And the same thing happened. He was disowned. He spent 18 years in different jail. His condition was very poor. The Pakistani police, Pakistani intelligence and Pakistani army tortured him like anything. And finally he died in 2001 in Multan jail. He was buried behind the jail in the ground, and thus a dedicated and patriot of India has died. It was very sad. When the news of his death came to his father in Rajasthan in 2001, his father also died of severe heart attack. The Indian government started pension of rupees 2,000 to his mother till the death of her. 2006, his mother expired, and till then the government was giving him pension. Whereabout of his wife and a daughter from Amanat is not known. Nobody knows where are they. Okay friends, if you like this episode, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.